Hi, everybody. It's Becky Livingston from Pen Heel Marketing, and today I want to show you this super cool feature using Canva AI. I'm going to create I love paperweights, glass paperweights, and this thing kind of looks like that. It's called a soap bubble, but it's really neat. So I'm going to start out with Canva AI. So I want to come over here to my Canva AI, and I'm going to enter a prompt. And the prompt is pretty significant. So I'm going to come over here. I'm going to grab my prompt and I'm going to put it in here. Now I'm creating a soap bubble. You can see it says soap bubble in here for New York City. I'm being very specific on the place in which I want the bubble to encapsulate the images. And it's going to create New York City, the word underneath of it, and I wanted to have a miniature diorama of New York City showcasing iconic landmarks. So this is what I'm starting with my prompt. And I'm going to put the prompt in the description, so definitely look for that. And I'm going to click go, and I want to see this thing design. So it's coming up here down at the bottom. It's warming up my images, and it's going to take a minute for it to happen. So I've got a couple of them here, and I can look at these. So here, make this a little bit bigger. So I've got the Chrysler Building, I've got the Empire State Building in this format, this format, this format. I want to look at these a little bit differently. So I want to look at them. I really like this one. Oh, I really love this blue one as well. So I've got my realistic things. I can download them now, whichever ones I like. Like I like the blue bubble one. I like this glass one. I like this glass. I kind of like them all. So I can click edit and it'll open up the image so I can see it a little bit better. Dun, 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 dun. There it is. So this is New York City. There's my iconic image in the background. So let's talk about how you might use this in your stuff. So if your office or business is located near some iconic landmarks, I have a lot of accounting firms in the New York City area that are my clients. So this could be a really interesting element to incorporate into some of your pictures in social media or even put it in a video. And if you did this in a video, you could use the match and move feature in your video to actually move the bubble across the screen. Oh my gosh, so many opportunities here. So love this idea. Let me see some of your pictures. Drop them in the comments and definitely check out my other Canva hacks. So that's all I've got for today. Hope you have a good one. Again, subscribe if you like the Canva hacks that I'm sharing. And I hope you have a wonderful day. Take care.